Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit minimalist filter using Lightroom mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.40. Contrast to -100. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 50. Whites to 31. And blacks to 100. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 23. Tint to 36. Vibrance to -4. And saturation to -41. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 65. Blending to 100. And balance to 54. For highlights, hue to 68. And saturation to 11. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 41. Saturation to -4. And luminance to -4. For orange, hue to 15. Saturation to -36. And luminance to 32. For yellow, hue to -26. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -26. For green, hue to -32. Saturation to -47. And luminance to -28. For aqua, hue to -42. Saturation to 47. And luminance to -47. For blue, hue to -47. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 76. For purple, saturation to -100 and luminance to 25. For pink, saturation to -100 and luminance to 25. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -20. Clarity to 24. Vignette to -11. And midpoint to 27. And last, go to Detail. Sharpening to 15. Masking to 30. Noise reduction to 20. Contrast to 6. And color noise reduction to 17. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.